Did you know me?
I don't understand. Why do I want to know you? Do you know me?
Hey! She don't know me.
What?
Did you know me?
It's like I'm beginning to know you.
Hey! She's beginning to know me.
Yes.
Did you not know me?
Yes, I've known you.
She knows me now.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, please, I want to know you better.
She wants to know me better.
Yes.
She wants to know me better. Actually, my name is Enjoyment Landlord, aka Alhaji Do and Buy, all the way from Dubai. I do before I buy. But for a pretty lady like you, I want to buy before I do.
Sir, please. What do you want from me?
Oh, she's asking what do I want from her. Take. My number is at the back of that money.